Hi there, and welcome to the Contabo channel. I'm Jairo, and today I'll show you how to transfer your VPS to another region using Contabo's Customer Control Panel, or CCP for short. Many customers don't realize they can do this themselves, and it's actually pretty straightforward. Whether you're expanding to serve a new region or just exploring your options, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Customer Control Panel. This is your central hub for managing all your Contabo services, including your VPS. Once logged in, navigate to your services and locate the VPS you want to transfer. Click the Manage button next to it. Now click the Move to Other Region option. A drop-down menu will appear with all the available locations. Select the region you want and click OK. You'll then choose between two transfer methods. First, either a new deployment, which sets up a brand new VPS instance in the desired region. It is free, but it doesn't transfer existing data. Or second, live migration that moves your server including old data to the new region while keeping it online during the process. This option comes with a one-time fee. Pick the method that works best for you. Finally, review your transfer details, agree to the terms, and click Request Transfer. You will receive updates in your CCP as the transfer progresses, and that's it. The process is now underway. Here are a few things to keep in mind after transferring. First, your main IP and any additional IPs will change. Be sure to reconfigure that any services rely on static IPs. Second, if you're using Contabo's name servers, DNS records will update automatically. If you use external DNS, you'll need to update those manually. And lastly, if you use Contabo's backup add-ons, make sure to migrate any critical data to secure a location before starting the transfer. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth transition. And there you have it, an easy guide to transfer your VPS to the new region using Contabo CCP. With just a few clicks, you can take full control of where your VPS is hosted. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more hosting tips, and let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.